Everwin Vidhyashram Principal Vidhyashram will line the gun.
Innovation and technology, real world relevant, the world of waste, bridging the earth of waste, power Jada X, energize tomorrow's world, entertain mingle, networking the world of fun, navigating iron, steel, the world sky, clouds vacation.
Okay. All we will see.
So here we go.
After inauguration, parents can visit all rooms and support the children, cheer them up. And our senior principals in Everwin Vidhyashram, Vanitha ma'am and Shagin ma'am will inaugurate this. Started.
Sir, wait, sir. Wait. Matchbox. No. Matchbox? No, matchbox. No, they are waiting for matchbox. Nearby open.
Parents இந்த பக்கம் வெளிய வந்துருங்க. இந்த வீடியோ நல்லா வந்து இந்த பக்கம் விடாம பரவாயில்லை. இந்த வழியா வந்துருங்க. நான் லைவ் போகுது வீடியோல. இனாகிரேஷன் முன்னாடி போயிட்டீங்க. இப்போ வந்து வாங்க. சார் வந்துருங்க வாங்க. முடிஞ்சா ஓகே. அடிக்கடி நம்ம
Integral world of nuclear power plant and understand how they provide us with an electricity. Also, quick tips and just
one line I will listen to. I have to cover 20 classrooms. Okay, just listen to your voice and leave up. Yes. Loud and clear.
This release energy generates immense amount of heat. This heat is used to produce steam from water. This steam then spins a turbine.
Okay, where is the nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu?
Madras nuclear power plant.
Where is it? The exact location.
In Tamil Nadu.
No exact place. Near Kolathur.
However, it's important to handle nuclear materials with extreme care because they can be dangerous if managed properly.
Good morning. This is wind power plant. Let's explore the incredible world of wind power plants and how they harness the wind to create electricity.
Now that's the magic part. As the blade spins, the generator transforms mechanical energy or spinning of blades into electrical energy. The same kind of electricity that powers our home. Wind power is remarkable because it's green above perfectly. It doesn't produce pollution or use of emission. Welcome to the incredible world of tidal and wave power plant, where of the ocean to be stored for a cleaner and greener future. Here's how their work is just for today. Tidal wall plants are often located near coastlines where light rise and fall dramatically. They use the power of these lights to generate electricity. Massive dams are
From tides they are generating electricity. Tidal.
Well, power plant on other hand sit out at where the constant motion of waves the power. They use a floating wheel which moves up and down with the wind. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Yes, tell me what you have done. Yes. Yeah, you can begin. Yes, somehow he has done. Nice. You get it. About this one, no? About this one.
Yes,
But
sir.
how the things came, but he didn't come.
No, sir. Yesterday only he started.
Good morning. Welcome to the fascinating water geothermal power plant, where the earth naturally becomes a source of sustainable energy. Here how they work in 1 minute. Deep beneath the earth
Anything
surface.
working here? Okay, begin.
These wells bring up hot water and steam from the underground reserves. It is used to spinning the turbine gates. When the turbine gates are spinning, it will create a mechanical energy harnessed and connected to generator. Generator works like magic. It will transform mechanical energy into electrical energy.
Good.
It is used. So let's celebrate geothermal power for this sustainable contribution to a cleaner, greener future. Thank you. Good morning. Welcome to amazing world of biomass power plant. The biomass power plant is like a green energy practice that converts organic material into the electricity. It's carbonate combustion. The prepared biomass is burned in a boiler. This combustion process generates high temperature steam. This steam is used to spin a turbine. After combustion, the leftover ash can be used as fertilizer or dispose of safely.
Okay, you say.
Good morning. Today we are going to talk about solar power plant. Solar power plant are like giant electricity generators powered by the sun. Sunlight to solar panels. Solar panels often into vast field capture sunlight. Each panel is made of many tiny cells that convert sunlight into electric current. Inverter select magic boxes. They transform these electricity into electricity. Making it usable for homes and businesses. In this section,
After these panels capture electric current,
No,
the inverter takes care of it.
Yes.
The storing and the thing. Yes. Nice.
Good morning. This is boiler. Boiler plays a crucial role in electricity generators. These electric vessels are used to convert water into high pressure steam to run the turbine and generate electricity.
The process typically involves burning fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, and oil to heat water, creating steam under the high pressure and distance. The higher it is, the heat of the
Good.
Boilers are essential components as they efficiently transfer energy from fuel into electrical energy, making them the heart of power generation in many cases.
Basically, there is such facility. Basically, power. Okay. Same facility. Good. So many ways of generating power. Yes.
Turbine is a pivotal for generating energy. These machines are harnessed and steam produced by boilers and use this energy as a generators converting mechanical energy.
Turbine come in various types, such as steam, gas, or other turbine, depending on power plant and fuel. The role is crucial. Steam converts energy into electricity.
Generators and power plants are very essential for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. They work in tandem with turbines which provide mechanical power into electrical energy. As the turbine spins utilize its generator that to rotate inside a magnetic field, carrying electrical energy in the state of wind.
Generators are the heart of power. It transforms electrical power into mechanical power. We rely on homes, industries, and beyond. Thank you.
The generator runs and produces electricity. Yes. Start.
A transformer is an electric device that transfers electric energy from one altering current circuit to one or more other circuits, either increasing or reducing the voltage. They are robust with meticulous design and maintenance critical for uninterrupted power. Transformers
powers play a vital role in power plants. They are the unsung heroes of the electrical grid, ensuring efficient power transmission and distribution.
Unsung heroes.
In essence, transformers are the backbone of industries. There are different ways to generate electricity, such as hydroelectricity, wind energy, and solar.
Transformer minimize energy losses during transmission, making our power supply reliable and cost-effective.
This is electrical substation. Electrical substation within power plants are pivotal for managing and distributing electricity. These facilities receive high voltage electricity from transformers and generators and transform it into lower voltages suitable for distribution.
They serve as critical junction point where power is rerouted, controlled, and safeguarded against loads. Substations also monitor the flow of electricity and
Substation. From here it goes to the transformers and then to
transformers from the
not this transformer, the one which is on the road. This substation is a big one. It's, for example, Neyveli straight it comes to substation.
essentially to ensure that electricity generated at power plants can be efficiently and safely transferred throughout the grid, reaching homes and industries with appropriate voltage levels.
Loudly.
A condenser in a power plant is a critical component that plays an important role in the steam cycle. It works to condense heat, coming out from the into liquid, by transferring heat to steam to a cooling medium by condensing the heat.
Nice
And
information.
pressure making it easier to return to the boiler for refill. This process increases the efficiency of power plant, conserving water and ensuring that more energy
Very
can be
quickly. Yes.
Cooling towers in power plants are designed to distribute the excess heat generated during the electricity production process. We achieve this by exposing hot water or condensate from the condenser to the air.
Cooling towers are vital for maintaining the efficiency and reliability of power plants by preventing overheating, etc.
Chimneys in power plant, it is also known as smokestacks or flue gas, play a significant role in managing emissions. They are towering structures designed to release the byproducts of combustion, such as gases and particulate matter into the atmosphere to dispel and dilute. Their process helps mitigate air pollution by reducing the impact of pollutants on the environment and human health. Chimneys are equipped with various technologies to control emission, and they are essential for environmental protection, ensuring that power generation is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. Good morning. We are going to talk about control room. Control room in the power plant is the central hub where the skilled operator oversee and manage all the aspects of plant's operation.
The current to this area, that area, this area. Finish.
It is the nerve center that enables efficient and safe operation of power generation facilities, ensuring a steady supply of electricity to homes and industries. Control room is essential for maintaining stable and reliable electricity production, responding to emergency and optimizing plant.
Yeah, then the term says control room, thermal power plant. Yes.
This is thermal power plant. Welcome to the world of thermal power plant, where the age-old power of heat is transformed into electricity. This is how these plants work in just 1 minute. To generate electricity, these power plants use fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, or oil, which is to be burned and create steam. The high-pressure steam rotates the turbine in the process. What's important to note is that thermal power plants produce a significant amount of electricity and making them a vital part of energy mix. However, burning fossil fuels in this process releases. To address these issues, newer thermal power plants often use technologies like carbon capture and storage. They are also making way for cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. So, while thermal power plants have been instrumental in powering our world, they also remind us. Welcome to the incredible world of power plants. Power plants are like big machines that make electricity. They use different things like coal, gas, or oil to create power. They work by heating water to make steam.
That's the point. The sources of heating.
And that steam makes a big fan called turbine.
This, nice. Great. Perfectly. Well done, children. Good morning. Thank you very much. Real class. Good. Nice.
Welcome to the industry of automobile, a land vehicle which facilitates us in moving around in everyday errands. The only friend that stays along with us 24/7. So let's explore in the world of automobile industry.
Great. Yes.
Good morning. This is our model Tata Motor industry. This is entrance, security room and power house where the electricity is supplied. This is office room where the higher official will work.
We'll sit and work.
Yes.
What do you say? Enough. One by one.
This Tata
Motors industry set up in 1945. The first manufacturing and engineering facility starts set up.
Then the pioneers.
Special features. Star trailer truck has a heavy payload, better mileage and best also business solution. The vehicle comes with big wheels, high fuel efficiency and weight.
I am achievement. Tata Motors was ranked #1 in Nielsen's Cooperative Response Survey 2011. Tata Motors won the Golden Peak of Environmental Responsibility Award for smartest systems.
It's the last working model. So now the trailer.
This is our model. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. This is the
Production and sale. This is the manufacturing area that the spare parts are.
now I'm going to be telling about the history of this. The company which had its origins as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited was incorporated on 23rd December 1920 at Bangalore by Sri Mohan of vast exhibitionary also working on several indigenous aircraft such as a medium fighter aircraft and advanced medium combat aircraft. So the average fare for Hindustan Aeronautics is about 2,000.
The Vande Bharat train engine is fully air conditioned and will gladly provide us comfortable hours and both entertainment for people with special needs. Achievements that Vande Bharat, the ICF gets National Excellence Award for manufacturing the Vande Bharat train.
In 2024, the ICF is planning to manufacture more coaches in 30 vehicles, including the Vande Bharat.
All staff members are eligible.
Here is our model hero industry, and here is the office room, and here is the manufacturing factory, and here is the drone, and here is the showroom. Hero.
All staff members are eligible for clearance. Include the general sum, desk, lump sum, variable pay, gifts, medical registration accompanying here is a private medicines. Price rate up to 1,000 rupees depending on order. Price rate to the immediate effort. Company.
The land tax program under executive director forest premium forestry as well as updating its dealer network of 500 outlets. This is
Company. This is conference hall and the office room, and our office workers will do their office, and the employees will discuss about their plans. This is section hall where our employees will take the customer's order. This is manufacturing. There the tires are manufactured through workers. This is godown where the manufactured tires are kept. This is showroom. We can see familiar screens. This is used to introduce the model.
Now I am going to say about introduction. The introduction. MRF or MRF were previously known as Retras Rubber Factories and Indian multinational tire manufacturing company. This is our model Hero Cycle Industry, and now I am going to say about this. This is Hero Cycle Industry office room, and this is meeting hall. They will discuss to manufacture new cycle and to sell it. This is manufacturing area. They will manufacture new cycles, and this is godown. Manufactured cycles are kept here, and this is showroom available in all cities to introduce new cycle and to
Inside the factory there's a show. Since you put it inside.
and this is showroom.
Now I learn, no, it's up in the visiting factory. Very
And
nice,
this
very
is-
nice. Yeah, Fena, one point.
It is established in 1956 in Ludhiana. Hero Cycle started with manufacturing cycle components, slowly paving its way onto becoming one of the best cycle brand in India.
At present, Hero Cycle exports to over 70 countries including Germany, Poland, Finland and several African nations with an
Today, Hero Cycle is one of the world's largest manufacturer bicycle, producing 18,500 cycles.
18,500. See, our childhood begins with hero. Whether we are hero or not, we use hero cycle.
Present cost. Hero Cycle may start from as low as 3,000 cycle to over 50,000. Achievement. They entered in
You can do cycling for a long time, your voice will improve.
And Hero Cycle is
where they sell in manufacturing India. As around slender the electric automobile market, they are significant.
This is our model Bajaj Auto. Here is the office room where the workers will do the office work, and here is the meeting room where they will discuss about manufacturing various models of autos. Here is the manufacturing unit where they will manufacture parts of autos. Here is the godown where the manufactured autos will be kept here. Here is the Bajaj showroom. Bajaj is one of the most popular and well-known three-wheeler manufacturers in India. In reality, it has 3.5% market share. In India, we see more autos. Bajaj Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate founded by Jamnalal Bajaj in Mumbai in 1926. This group comprises 40 companies in it and its branches.
Next one.
I'm going to tell about special features of Bajaj Auto. The Bajaj Auto is one of the popular auto rickshaws in India. The Bajaj Auto is available from a showroom starting price 2.26.
Yes. Bajaj over.
I'm going to tell about achievement. Bajaj Auto is the first two-wheeler and three-wheeler company in the world to have reached a market capitalization of Indian rupee and continues to be the world's most
This is Chennai facility of Bajaj. Just all washed away by rains. Only 1 or 2 are there. Go down. Okay, next.
Bajaj Auto's quarterly net profit was estimated at 1,175 crores
companies
and revenue at 10,800 crores.
Nothing model.
Sir, I present you a model of Mazagon Dock Limited. Here's the manufacturing area of the submarine, and they get parts from other countries. Here's the finished product of a submarine. It was established in the 19th century and eventually it was registered as a public company in 1934. It manufactures warships and submarines for the Indian Navy.
Super. Next. Why students are changing? It should be in order. One is speaking there, left side, right side. Lot of confusion. Yes. Start.
We are going to say about ISRO. ISRO introduction. ISRO's latest and ISRO India.
Understand and speak. Then we are speaking. Don't memorize and go. Okay.
Indian Space Research Organization is
Check the availability of
It is one of the 6 largest space agencies. UNESCO maintains a bigger sensing and communication satellites.
Achievement of ISRO successfully launched about 450 satellites till date. It used to 16 satellites from 22 overseas. ISRO has
This is our model Maruti Suzuki. Here is the entrance. Here is the office room where the office workers will work. This is meeting hall where the higher officials will discuss regarding the new models of cars. This is manufacturing company where the workers will manufacture the cars. This is godown where the manufactured cars are kept here. This is showroom where the new cars are lined here. And this is familiar in many cities.
Maruti, now I will say about history of Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Udyog Limited was incorporated in the year 1981 under the provisions of Indian Company Act 1956 and Government of India selected Suzuki Motor Corporation as a joint venture partner for the company.
Yes, it is a collaboration with the government.
Maruti Suzuki is looking to launch 10 new cars by 2033. Will include half a dozen electric cars, automakers.
That's a big number.
This is our model Cochin shipyard, and this is the place where the workers will take rest, and this is the manufacturing place where the workers will manufacture the ship, and this is the model of ship, and this is the working model.
Achievement of Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard is the India's first.
Nice.
Achievement of Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard built the India's first indigenous aircraft INS. A Vikram family the Kolathur defense ship is first aircraft INS subject.
Yes. Next.
This is TVS Motor Company. TVS stands for Tirukurugundi Vengaram Sundaram. That's the office room where the workers will do their work and this is about the production and sales. This is the manufacturer.
I'm going to say about the company total fuel is worth 3,86,955 units. 3,61,120
Great growth. Yes, nice.
It's a famous automobile industry that is known to all people in Tamil Nadu. Here's the office room
their work. Here is a conference hall where the higher officials do meetings and discuss about their future production. Here is the manufacturing place where the vehicles will be manufactured. Here is the godown area where the manufactured vehicles will be stored there. Here is a showroom where they keep the vehicles to customers. History of Ashok Leyland. On 7 September 1948, a freedom fighter from Punjab called Ranjan Saran founded the company Ashok Motors. Ashok Motors was set up in Madras for the assembly of working cars. The company's destiny and the name change moved with the equity participation of
safety enhanced with guard and aerosol, new emergency and brake.
Achievement. Ashok Leyland 378 plus HCV awarded as the Truck of the Year 2018. Ashok Leyland wins 2016.
I would say about revenue and profit. And I thought fiscal year 2020, the revenue of Ashok Leyland was 361 billion Indian rupees. And after the profit of Ashok Leyland was around by 14 billion Indian rupees. Thank you.
The topic is heat, inside heat. What is going on? But try to open window. Why are you allowing heat like this? Some discomfort is there. Yes.
Only used for storing.
What's the reason?
First type of kerosene is used in flight, jet aviation, aircraft.
This process generation is converted into carbon-rich coal under very high temperature and pressure. Uses of coal are generating electricity.
Today we are going to explain about the different layers of coal. There are 4 different layers of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. Peat has a soft and spongy texture, brown black and rubber.
Bituminous, shiny, black in color, has higher carbon content. Used in industry. Our topic is lead for coal. There are 4 types of coal. There are peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. Peat is the first stage of coal formation. It has low carbon content. It is soft. Peat, lignite, bituminous.
So here it is.
It is half partly decayed plant and mineral matter.
Super. One point.
Process the coal will be shipped to scissor before distribution. The first step in coal mining is time and mission exploration. Advantages of coal mining: they are 2 types. Abundant energy source. Abundant energy source. Coal mining is reliable and
Production of coal in first introduced in India was very slow. And that it happened in 1943 to 1979. All topic is destructive distillation of coal. The coal is about 1,000 to 1,400 degrees Celsius to produce many byproducts. Coal is about 1,000 to 1,400 degrees in the action of oxygen.
The coal there is lactic liquid and there is a production of coke which is used in road constructions and various industries.
Petroleum migrants, forest rock, fertilizers, farming under the glass.
Our topic is fractional distillation. The mixture in a liquid is heated in a distillation column, which is consist of a long vertical tray or packing material.
Cooling. The column is designed for the
All this is refinery map.
This tank global for the
It cools
Natural gas and dairy products may contain sulfur compounds, which are important in the development under very high temperature and pressure. Use of course, oil drilling fetch heavy oil from deep underground. It is like a big straw that goes deep underground to bring the liquid to the oil. Oil drilling reduces the pressure of oil reserves underground, which greatly reduces the amount of hydrocarbon seepage and the amount of methane gas in the atmosphere. Scientists realize that the amount of increased oil drilling operation will continue to be
Natural gas extraction of flood. Natural gas extraction from surface rock formation drilling is extracted using a variety of methods, including vertical drilling, horizontal drilling, and drilling.
The well is drilled to reach the natural gas reservoir. The natural gas, along with the associated hydrocarbons and various impurities, is extracted from the well. The extracted gas is then sent to an offshore processing plant for processing. The processed natural gas is then sent to an onshore processing plant.
Our topic is constituent and uses of petroleum. LPG. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. LPG is used for all types of petrol. Petrol is present under the sea water. Petrol is used for
all subsidiary products.
kerosene. Kerosene is also used as a domesticated product in houses for cooking of the food and for lighting.
Have you seen that? Cooking as those days, all these stove, kerosene stove. It's all gas. Which generation?
Paraffin. Paraffin wax is used for ointments, candles, and vases. Bitumen. Bitumen is very common for our houses and it is used for painting and road surfacing, and it is in black color.
Paraffin. While painting, we'll add paint to one. See, that's called carbon something. Turpentine.
Our topic is India reserves of coal and petroleum. Both coal and petroleum reserves are finite resources. Coal reserves estimated quantity of coal that can be economically extracted from road geological petroleum is an estimated volume of coal, oil, and natural gas that can be extracted from oil and gas fields. These extracts United States, Russia, Mexico, Libya, the Middle East, and Iraq, Cuba, and Iran. Stand ready to
Gas plant opens from a air of compressed by a gas ceiling. We blend the seal, compressed and filter. What an SLS,
20%, 20.5.
Our topic is oil refining. Being an oil dependent on economy, it efforts on 80% of its consumption requirement. Gas serves the products with one of the types of business. Thus, the first consumption of gas our topic is alternative resources. Some alternative fuels which are well known are bioalcohol, biodiesel,
Loudly.
non-fossil natural gas.
All are alternative energy.
Hydrogen is one of the best alternatives in hydrogen gas is
energy of wind to rapid reducing windmill is wind energy. It is electricity generated by gas.
Our topic is Neyveli Lignite Corporation. The formation agency was established in 1956. Neyveli Lignite Corporation Private Limited.
How many units are there in lignite? Energy, how many units are there?
Its main operation is renewable energy sources including solar and wind power. These are
Mining operations. Energy operates open source lignite mine. They are contributing significantly to India's energy production. The lignite mine is used as fuel for thermal power generation, energy generation.
expansion and modernization. ODS has undergone expansion and modernization efforts to keep pace with the technological advancements in the energy sector
Expansion trying, but farmers they are protesting.
and to meet the growing
Nice. Well done, children.
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Richa Ambani's device used to allow gas such as air to raise out from wind. There are two IV bags.
The speed of this is 200 ml per minute. It is used for blood donation.
Next. One point.
We are going to tell about syringes. Shops is a medical term for devices with Sharp points or edges that can puncture or cut skin.
Sharp ingredients. Hollow needles are used to inject medicine under the skin. Syringe is a device which is used to inject medicine or withdraw.
This is reducing of network. Regular preparation helps you maintain iron level in our body.
Anyway, go to the point. Don't say no.
Hello sir, I am going to explain about your formula which is used to know the dosage of something. D by H into Q or desired amount of dosage by amount on hand into quantity.
The pharmaceutical companies have devoted a growing share of their net revenues to R&D activities, averaging about 19% over the past 2 decades.
Pharmacy studies 10 considers as sarcastic, particles is polymorphism, PF and fragmentation. All of these can affect bioavailability.
Pharmaceutical industry handles active ingredients and viable substances that require controlled storage over requirements to remain safe and viable.
Active pharmaceutical industry, precursor chemicals and manufacture drugs frequently require controlled.
The Indian pharmaceutical industry ranks third globally in pharmaceutical production by volume and well known for generic medicines and low cost medicines.
7% is what? US. Oh, they are the leaders. And then followed by
India is the least.
World over they dominated.
How to dispose of chart? Use chart should be immediately placed on chart disposal container. FDA cleared chart generally available through pharmacies, medical supply companies, healthcare providers, and online. The pie chart represents pharmaceutical marketing in Good morning.
I'm going to explain about pharmaceutical marketing.
Sir, we are going to explain about
Fine, just short.
the benefits of pharmacy. The benefits of pharmacy include facilitating patient access to medication.
In order to help patients manage the prescription and follow the so they provide some medicines.
Our capsule is all the steps necessary to solve the dosage forms in which the active elements are expressed in the orders.
There is a lot of saying words about capsule.
Capsules are made of gelatin and non-gelatin. Generally, capsules are derived against the component acid, enzymatic organisms.
This space is not only treating sickness, but it also helps to improve the health of community.
Very specific. Tablets have been made by graduates. Process are described two primary developments. One is compatibility and another is
There are different shapes and different names, but we are using in general tablets.
A tablet is usually compressed to saturation that contains 5 to 10% of drugs actually 80%.
One point.
A vaccine is a suspension of weakened, fluid or fragmented microorganism. That is administered privately to
the four main types of COVID-19 vaccines. There are four categories of vaccines in clinical trials. Whole virus, protein summit, viral vector, nucleic acid, RNA, DNA.
All in 1953 in Germany.
Only for medical life.
Hospital is an institute that provides a free
sir, as we are so impressed on your teaching and you are a good mentor for us, today we are going to be a mentor by explaining LPG. Here we go.
The most important global industry is the oil and gas industry, as they use earth resources to generate source of incomes.
Bharat Petroleum is all about exploration and production of oil and gas. According to the report in India, most of the oil sectors are managed by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. The company is also the second largest government-owned downstream oil company in India. Now my friend is going to explain the process of refinery in Bharat Petroleum.
After the refinery process, the produced empty LPG is transported to the bottling area through pipeline, road and rail and stored in huge size tanks. It is pumped to the bottling.
Next stage.
It is pumped to the bottling area to fill the gas cylinders and stored in the storage area. It is loaded to trucks to direct customers and consumers through retail.
You have taken up only this LPG, right? They are into petrol, diesel as well.
LPG is produced during oil refining or is extracted during natural gas production process. If you release LPG, gas is emitted. In order to transport it, it must be placed at ideal pressure to form an explosion.
The LPG can be easily transported then used for fuel cars, trucks and even lorry fleets.
Enough. 115. Bharat Gas.
Good morning.
You finished
LPG is the byproduct of the refined oil. Its oil consists of propane and butane, but may not contain one such compound. LPG contains of almost entirely of propane, but also can have 50% of butane. More propane in summer and more butane in winter. These help to keep a cylinder in a perfect manner. The maximum quantity should not exceed 4,500 kg.
Space allocated for storage.
4,500 kg maximum.
The space allocated for LPG cylinders must comply with local laws and regulations.
Empty cylinders should be stacked separately but considered full for safety purpose.
Safety.
After extraction from the wells, hydrogen and natural gases are treated and transported and distributed through pipelines. The distributor and transport the gas to consumers and pressurize the CNG tanks, also known as CNG cylinders. Automatic potting process is running in most of the LPG industry in the world. In all industries, there is also an alternative manual way to fill the cylinder. The manual way of filling the cylinder is needed when it faces problems.
Like it rotates and fills one sense out.
They ensure the adequate ventilation and dry air or shock in case of leakage. Right, and keep in a cool place at a safety distance from a spark flame and high.
Nice.
Compressed oxygen must be kept 10 meters away from all flammable gases.
Next.
The primary components of LPG are nitrogen, methane, ethane, propane and butane. LPG is high flammation of these hydrocarbons widely used.
Heat produces due to the lower quantity of pre-process in compression of LPG. Heat produces due to the higher amounts of carbon dioxide.
LPG composite cylinder eliminate any flammable consumptions and order process safer and lighter than bulky steel cylinders. Differences of LPG cylinders. 5 kg and 45 kg are largely meant for domestic use and 90 kg for 7 kg. There are 7 types of LPG cylinders available. Domestic LPG cylinder, commercial LPG cylinder and industrial LPG cylinder.
Small to the largest.
Industrial cylinders. These cylinders are even larger, used in industries, manufacturing, construction. They can range 45 kg to 100 kg.
Type 2 steel cylinder with composite reinforcement. Type 2 cylinders are usually manufactured from steel and aluminum. They are lowest cost and heaviest in the tank.
Mostly all steel.
1 liter of petrol produces 2.3 kg of CO2 element, whereas the equivalent amount of water gas 1.33 liters. Due to its lowest density, only produces 2 kg of CO2.
Water gas is the third most popular automotive fuel in the world.
The LPG actually makes the engine when 2 linear at air to gas ratio of 16.5 to 1, which is linear than petrol.
Yes, say from beginning.
Type 4 composite. Type 4 polymer linear. The development of CNG type 4 has been the next step in the development of composite products.
Correct. Say from beginning.
The LPG actually makes the engine when 2 linear at air to gas ratio of 15.5 to 1, which is linear than petrol.
LPG distribution also happens through LPG distribution service. LPG transportation services that are offered by LPG traders.
Yes. That should be relevant, Krishna. That should be relevant when they are speaking. That they should say, because the teachers have made entire arrangements for saying that it's not in the order.
CNG station compressed natural gas. ICNG station is compressed to natural gas to areas that are in lack of gas.
Well said.
India Registration Energy Survey 2020 collected data about different types of fuel consuming in India. The first LPG connection
October 1965 in Kolkata, India serves more than 130 million families.
Village it entered after long years.
We are going to talk about LPG and CNG safety measures.
Keep the doors and windows of your house open for proper ventilation.
All CNG fuel must be manufactured with standard 2.25 tons of pressure.
In LPG pipeline system or LPG reticulate systems, consumers get 24 hours gas supply at the turn of tap. More households in the system are system.
LPG generators have the same power and performance as petrol generators have, with the added benefit 35% fuel savings. The LPG restaurant
Natural gas is stored in a fuel tank or cylinders, typically at the back of the vehicle. CNG fuel system. Zero cost refrigerator and air conditioning using LPG. The LPG refrigerator uses evaporation of LPG. The liquid state of LPG gas can be used for cooling and expanded LPG gas can be used for combustion of fuel. Refrigerator gas cylinder. These cylinders contain a specific LPG, hence used in gas conditioning and refrigerator system. They are essential for
What LPG cylinders are using chemicals that run by non-gas? This is a type of LPG.
Bio-CNG is refined biogas made up of animal waste, plant waste, food waste, etc.
Agriculture waste, manure, food waste, tree waste, and food waste have been break down into biogas. These sources of these is known as biocompressing agriculture.
CNG is produced by compressing natural gas to less than 1% of its volume at standard atmospheric pressure. The LPG prices are predominantly decided based on the LPG prices on the global market, and a mechanism called import parity price is used for price determination.
Last 4 years it doubled from 400 to 900.
The formula for important party price assumes that LPG is imported within the country. Geopolitical tensions such as Ukraine-Russia war also tend to increase the LPG and crude price. Farmers' price
They are
is
deciding it's called the global fixing. And the crude oil rate increases. Listen to you one point or one of time. Yes.
Good morning. Agriculture is liquid and for human consumption. Good morning. I take great honor and privilege to welcome you, sir. On behalf of Sound and Boys, I welcome you to an Expo 2023. The beverage industry, known as the drink industry, manufactures drinks and very from sparkling water to soda to beverage industry and beyond. Customers have lot of beverage industry to choose from.
That's that?
A drink or beverage is a liquid made for human consumption. Common types of drinks include plain drinking water, milk, chocolate, and juices. The multiple extensions exist of course. This may be the ingredients. Basic steps for beverage processing. There is the for each step of beverage processing was required.
So anyway, it should be some little weight.
Yes,
Made it. Good effort. From there it goes.
Juice fills
It fills and then sends as a bottle.
Yes. What's it?
Anyway, it's very good attempt. Very good attempt. Yes, 32 years.
Each step of beverage processing may be similar. Each step of beverage process will figure in it. Carbonated drink, water to water process, and product. First type of beverage is water. Water to water is hot for many different reasons. Taste, convenience, water, quality, health concerns, safety concerns, and as a substitute of fuel. Less than 1% of your fresh water supplies maximum beverage sources are effective to retrieve different types of water. There are distilled water, purified water, mineral water, glacier water.
Great information. Nice.
Let us see the third type of beverage, which is milk. Milk is in white in color because it contains calcium. It gives us calcium, protein, vitamin D, and phosphorus. The milk is one of the original. Milk is famous for some nutrition for babies. In many cultures, especially Western world,
Humans continue to consume daily milk beyond humanity, using the milk of other animals, Welcome to our industry. Let's explore more about our industry. Our publishing about the 40 lakh liters in a day and 23 lakh liters are sold as milk in a day. At present, 76 number of milk in 137 variants are being produced at Kolathur. Our produce, process it and sell milk and milk products to the
I like all the different taste, no?
Let's talk more about the third type of beverage, which is carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks refers to a drinks which have carbon dioxide dissolved into them. The most fancy carbonated drinks are produced by major global brands, which are Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Dr. Pepper Snapple.
Welcome to Pepsi industry. Let us know more about Pepsi industry.
Coca-Cola's main rival Pepsi was created in 1893 and brings in over $70 billion in revenue.
Pepsi was invented by Caleb Brand and was initially known as Brasserie. PepsiCo entered India in 1980 and asked to grow one of the largest food and beverage.
We are going to talk about fourth type of beverage, that is fresh juice.
Fresh juice is a natural product that contains no additives. There are more types of fresh juice. Fruit-based beverage industry in India is set to massive growth in the upcoming years.
Fruit-based beverage industry is under constant innovations as a growing health consciousness among consumers.
We are going to speak about pasteurization. Pasteurization is a process of food preservation in which packaged and non-packaged foods are treated in mild ways.
The process is intended to destroy or deactivate microorganisms and enzymes that contribute to food spoilage or rise of diseases, including vegetative bacteria.
Very nice. That's correct. That's what we say pasteurized to milk. Now you explained it very clearly. Okay, start speaking. While you are doing, you can speak.
The principle is that you can add vinegar to water.
Principle is there. Yes. Formula.
You can add vinegar and pour a bit of baking soda in the container. The acid in the water.
Seven steps.
Step 1, map on your plant production. Step 2, drive into a sale listing. Step 3, lay out a solid sale forecast. Know your customers, track your and revenue. Most of the soft drink gas.
One point. Yes.
Most of the soft drink gas artificial flavors and different levels to create a natural carbon. Common extract.
Role of beverage industries in shopping malls and restaurants. Without food and beverage options, the mall may struggle to compete with other malls.
There's no mathematics like this.
Not often.
Paying money. In Delhi, I saw that you can do the Google Pay and now get it down. I put on status. Nice.
Beverage industries in future. The global industry is expected to reach $1.8 million in knowledge methods of trade. The headquartered in Dubai has more than 5,000 employees.
Food and beverage industry use a lot of it. Agriculture requires 70% of world water. But you know what? Contamination and spoilage, one of the most biggest consumers is the food and beverage industry. Ingredients, packing materials, and factory equipment are unsuspected contamination and issues. Health importance of beverage industry. Certain beverages such as green tea or any organic coffee, especially black coffee, can lead to improving metabolism and hydration is the important reason for intake of beverages.
Studies have shown that people who drink 3 to 5 cups of coffee per day have a significantly lower risk of heart disease, stroke and heart
We
failure.
are going to say about strategies in beverage leverage industries, product price, promotion base are the framework that helps the guide multicultural and it also keeps the marketing the right way. Let's take this guide. More use of disposable bottle gets more chemical and toxins, leach of plastics into water.
It contains no essential mineral, no fiber and vitamins. When it is sweet and carbonated soda, the sugar remains in the node, promoting the process that leads to juice and cake. The acid when melting the carbonized soda, the increase the recommended amount to damage the teeth.
Drinking soda is not made for a person. Widespread evidence indicates that sugar sweetened and diet soda can contribute to high tooth decay, type 2 diabetes, and also cardiovascular.
Who made this one? Great work. Nice. Yes, sir. I'm done.
Construction industry. There are 5 primary sectors of construction industry which are residential building, commercial building, heavy civil construction, technical building construction, industrial construction.
Submitting a lot of thought.
Residential building, a building made up of one or more rooms used for housing purposes, necessary facilities, is known as residential building.
Heavy civil construction deals with general infrastructure and government funded projects. Industrial construction dealing with factories, warehouse, power plant, and oil. Environmental construction. Environmental construction means construction that maintain environmental friends of construction consistent with environmental conservation.
Who began? So that you can show us too. You go there. Go there. Then you can show them also. I can speak. Start this here. Slowly show the entire infrastructure there. Finally show us the design. And then we will start.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is construction industry. There are 5 primary sectors of construction industry which are as follows: residential building, commercial building, heavy civil construction, environmental construction, industrial construction. Construction industries are involved in the constructions of roads, buildings, and
Residential building, a building made up of one or more rooms used for housing purpose with necessary facilities, is known as residential building. Commercial buildings are buildings used for commercial purpose, include office buildings, school, retail buildings.
Heavy civil construction. Heavy civil construction deals with general
Already spoke. That time she is coming and taking. I'm asking her to take meetings. Also not stop. She also came.
Her angle was different.
Nice.
our topic is construction industry. Construction industries comes under the secondary industry. The construction industries including business involved in constructing, repairing and renovating buildings, engineering projects, subdividing and developing land. Types of construction. Almost all construction can be broadly categorized into 3 types of projects: building industries, public works, industrial type sector. The construction sector includes establishments primarily engaged in construction of buildings, engineering projects such as bridges, highways, or infrastructure.
Our topic is evaluation in construction sector. Construction is an ancient human activity begin with a purely function and needed for controlled environment to moderate
Construction today is a crucial part of their culture. A manifestation of diversity and complexity are measured by. There are many construction methods to choose, picking the right one for you depending on your financial planning, permission, and design criteria. Our topic is construction equipment. Civil and other contracts choose the heaviest equipment to overcome the upcoming construction challenges. In fact, there is a very little work that could be done without the construction equipment.
Go down a list of types of equipment, then you will like for more machine to compress and then you will know what to do with it. Most commonly equipment is used in construction: compacting equipment, conveyor equipment, earth moving equipment,
Excavating equipment, oiling equipment, hoisting equipment.
paving equipment, pumping equipment and fine driving equipment. Thank you.
MSAN. The full form of MSAN is manufactured sand. It is formed by crushing large horizontal value rocks of granite. It has balanced both chemical and physical properties. It can withstand extreme
Enough.
conditions.
1 point.
The
Materials used for construction are brick, cardboard, terracotta, gravel, layers brick, river sand, M sand, TM timber,
Very good, very good.
cement, white cement are the things used
Well,
for.
well represented. You are into that M sand.
The stones usually used for building construction. Basalt, granite, sandstone, slate, limestone,
Yes,
lead. Our topic is green building. What is green building? Since the beginning of modern time, the use of soil bricks, concrete and wood has been used in everyday construction.
Environmental benefits. Protect and enhance the biodiversity and the ecological system. Reduces the wastage of water and energy.
Economic benefits. Lower construction costs and high profitability. It improves human health and overall productivity. Best for learning.
Social benefits. Easy and affordable for go green opportunities for exiting. Minimum strain on local infrastructure.
Our topic is plastic road. The machines used in plastic road construction are conveyor belt is used to convey the plastic. Screw conveyor it is used to convey the plastics. Convey the plastics into a liquid form.
Yes, got it.
Which kinds of plastic are used in road construction? Sticks from balloon, ice cream sticks, cups, plastic, thermocol and many things.
As we all know, the consumption of plastic is constantly increasing. One thing such as that they do not decompose.
Using a high percentage of a plastic waste in any corner. Using a higher percentage of a plastic waste in every corner of the country generates jobs for agriculture, reduce the need for between 20 and 50%.
Our topic is different types of justice. Beam bridge has a horizontal beam that supported agriculture by the piers. Truss bridges are there first built of wood, then iron, then steel, or occasionally are common.
Well made.
This is structure built to span physical obstacles such as body of the water, valley, road, or railway without obstructing the railway and railway. Designs of bridges depending on factors such as body of the water, valley, road, or railway. There are 5 suspension bridge. It has 2 towers, 2 suspension cables, 4 suspension cable anchors, and the bridge deck. Cables.
Our topic is permeable road. Permeable road, which is also known as water absorbing road, are used in many areas for making roads.
Permeable road is also known as the water absorbing road. Permeable road working model, it works by absorbing the alternative water from the rain and from. In addition to reducing a surface runoff of permeable paving system, it can trap the suspended solid filtered by Miss.
Good morning, Our topic is hydraulic bridge. The feature of hydraulic.
Make it work and speak.
The feature of hydraulic bridge. The hydraulic bridge make a passage of ships or boats to pass through the way, as well as the vehicles to move from one end to another end.
Great. Once more you do. Make it. See, you should operate,
This is a model made
on the
by
same time. Okay?
our classmate Sharon.
Yes. Now you do. Same way. Yes. Well done. Super. Very nice. Great. Next one.
The hydraulic bridge is also known as the moving bridge as it is used for seaside traffic. In short, it is used for boats and ships to cross over the bridge.
One point. Next.
This is the integration of hydraulic gears fits that existing hydraulic bridge model of introduced from the of 20th century onwards.
The hydraulic cylinder can be divided into a tie rod and welded depending on the construction. The welded hydraulic cylinder is suitable for providing a longevity protection.
For what purpose?
This model is made by our classmate Sharon. I kindly request for appreciation.
Sharon.
Well done. Very nice. See how he wants to motivate you.
Good morning. Today we are going to see the types, the uses, and overall the total explanation of dams. We have used different materials to build the dam over centuries. Instead of natural materials.
Dams are barriers that stops or restricts the flow of surface water underground streams. The Reservoirs created by dams, not only surface springs.
Most known dams are of two basic types, Masonry Dam and Embankment Dam. Masonry Dam are typically used to block streams running through relatively narrow gorges. As in mountainous terrain, although the structures...
Embankment dams are preferred to control river streams crossing through broad and wide valleys. The cost depends on where it is located and materials to construct. Thank you.
But then I can cover this too. Same way close and going there and has to be done.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is about different stages and involves in construction art.
Creating a concept and design. The very first stage of construction is to create a concept followed by the design and blueprints.
Obtaining building permits. We are looking at construction by the concept of the
Cement used in construction are usually inorganic. They are often lime or calcium silicate based, which can be characterized as hydraulic cement.
Hydraulic cement become adhesive to the chemical reaction between water and dry ingredients and is not so water soluble.
Non-hydraulic cement does not set never
Well done, children. Nice.
Sir, please.
Yes. You engage the visitors like this. Based on this, they should do. They should be. What gift are you giving? For the winners. Can play. Some chart piece they can
Entertainment industry is any business that generates values by providing people with something interesting to do or watch.
Entertainment industries are of various types. Exhibition entertainment industry, live entertainment industry, and mass
You are saying this without dancing. Entertainment industry, you should dance and explain. Okay, that's what entertainment industry. Nice.
What is an amusement park? An amusement park is a park that features various attractions such as rides and games and as well as other events for entertainment purposes. Bacon in Camperburg was the first amusement park built in 1584 in Denmark. India got its first amusement park in
India, there are 150 amusement parks and the oldest amusement park is Appugat, 19 November 1984 in New Delhi.
Pirate ship. Okay, next.
It is not very easy to start an amusement park. It requires a lot of capital. The amusement park should have at least 8 rides. Minimum investment should be at 50 lakhs. It should have a minimum area of 20,000 square meter. It is actually a populated area.
50 lakh? No. Sometimes you cannot start. Investment like that. At least 100 crores. Very big investment.
The government has set up many rules and regulations to start an amusement park. They often conduct ride inspections, ride maintenance, trainers of the staff.
We are going to talk about roller coaster. Roller coaster is invented by Lamarcus Thompson in 1884. It is a form of elevated railroad track that carries passengers to height.
Super. Good attempt. Nice.
Mechanism, it is not typically for most of the roller coasters are pulled up by a lift in by a chain or cable and released it out.
Roller coaster mostly it should be like this. It's not straight and down. It's like circus. It should be like
Basic math such as calculus help determine the height needed to allow the car to get up the next stage.
Today we're gonna explain about bumper cars. Have you enjoyed a bumper car ride in an amusement park? Do you know about it? Let me explain. Bumper car ride is a type of flat amusement ride which consisting of multiple small
excellent.
Have you heard about Newton's law of motion? Newton's law of motion plays an important role in bumper car. All three laws are applicable. Newton's third law of motion says that if one body exceeds the force.
Super.
How do bumper car works? Bumper car rides are designed so that cars can collide without much danger to the riders. Each car has a large rubber bumper all around it. Which products?
Thank you, sir.
Do you know the guidelines to start a dew? The dew size should have the approximately free of reasonable water lodging, seaways and farm water.
In some ways, zoo functions like mechanical control. I am going to talk about
Loudly.
the top 5 famous zoos in India. One, Sricha, Ramanathan Zoological Park in Karnataka. Kannur Zoo. Kannur Zoo is the first public zoo in India. It is the last zoo in India. It was set up in the central level system in 1855. According to the
You mentioned the room as tourism, not entertainment.
We are going to explain about the circus. Circus is not only entertainment, it also is spectacle or group of animal trainers, clowns and trapeze artists, etc.
Yes.
Circus is not only entertainment.
Loudly.
Circus is not only entertainment, but also physically and mentally.
Loudly.
There are only 10 circus shows across India and all are going to give the difference of flow.
Yes.
We are going to deliver our speech on music. Music is a basic arrangement and the flow of a sound in air. Of course, it's various rhythm and systematic methods.
Music industry consists of individuals and organizations that earn money by writing songs. Music is an art that expresses the experience of human's life. Live music sector. Anyone who performs a live music concert at a nearby coffee shop that will be the demonstration of
One point. Next.
Music is an art that expresses the experience of human's life. Thank you.
We are going to explain about music concerts. Music concert is a live music performance in front of an audience. The performance may be by a single musician.
Concerts are of four types: rhythmical, theatrical, classical, and rock. Additional revenue is also collected through the concert advertising and sponsorship.
Do you know the revenue of music industry is 1,068 crores?
1,068 crores per annum music industry. That's great revenue. Yes, next.
The next important entertainment industry in the current scenario is theatre. A movie theatre or the cinema, also known as the big screen, the silver screen is entertainment industry that as an auditorium for viewing films for public entertainment. A variety range of films are shown in movie theatre.
Enough. Next one.
The largest theatre complexes, which are called multiplexes. Even there are some drive-in theatres and 3D theatres.
Drive-in theatre. Next.
Good morning, sir. We are going to talk about projectors.
Cinema is plain and big screen. Projectors are the primary devices used in cinema to display the digital content stored in the DCP.
There are various cinema theatres in India like Satyam Cinemas, Rajmandir Cinema, Nexus, Prasad, PVR, etc. Films that are shot on a film have thousands of
PVR
duplicates.
is the largest one. Satyam only in Chennai. Yes.
Project.
Great.
Economic contribution of cinema theatres. In Indian cinemas, the rupees 15,000 crores at the box office. And Indian media and
Good morning. This is the model of television. Television is a telecommunication medium for transmitting moving images and sounds. The term can refer to a television set or the medium of television transmission. Television show. Electronic television was first successfully demonstrated in San Francisco on September 7, 1927. This system was invented by J. Albert. The system was designed. Famous TV channels in India are Zee TV, Zee News, Star TV, NDTV, etc. Some programs get 9,000 TRP rating. TRP is the metric that signifies the program success on TV screen. Most of them viewed program that the TV industry stood at an estimated revenue of 72,000 crores in 2022. Thank you. Television was first introduced in 1995 and the satellite TV was introduced in 1990s. And the studio for India Radio started and experimental telecast. Outward television telecasted. Satellites are used for telecasting television programs. The sound and picture should be transmitted. It was converted into electrical signal. The artificial satellite has a special instrument which receives the signal transmitted by the Earth station.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. We are present here for Model of Museum. Museum is an institution dedicated to display, preserving cultural significant objects. Mostly museum have exhibitions.
One of the old of the library is Senegal International Museum. The date is 530 BC and contain art.
Relax. Bye, Amy.
The choy, no? Okay, you try and.
Good, nice. Anyway, good attempt. Right. Keep doing. Next.
Children
love to visit museums as they are cultural and educational institutions where children can learn about diverse cultures, fresh ideas, and distant creative work. The ground.
Snake ladder is an ancient Indian custom regarded today as a perfect classic. It requires to one more player and takes place out of
Board games or tabletop games. Most of the children like it. Even adults are crazy on it. It relaxes our mind. Most of the board games require more than 2 players. Board game marketing in India.
Well done, children.
Sir, here, sir. Loudly. Say. Welcome to the food industry, sir. The complete journey of food from farm to table. Now, my friend Vivek is a farmer. He's going to explain about the food which stands for farms.
My name is M. Vivek and I am a farmer. I am going to explain about the farming. The farmer plants seeds and harvests the crop cells until they are ready to be harvested. Normally, they have harvested grains from the crops such as fruits and vegetables.
I am a worker in the factory. The processing unit need to be processed before going to the distributor. For example, the wheat grains need to be processed into
Next one.
Hello sir, I am a professor. Now the bagged food is sent to the various parts of the country and the wholesaler or the retailer.
I am a retailer. This is my shop. A retailer is someone who sells groceries such as supermarkets and grocery stores. This is the last step of the food journey before reaching the consumers. Finally, the food is available for you to buy and take around to the
One more, for one time, one point I will listen. Next one.
Good morning. Here we displayed food warehouse. Food warehouse means storing food before for order distributor. Operating a food warehouse will guide experience, expertise and effect. Also dairy and frozen products like quality temperature.
Yes. Anybody more to speak about food warehouse?
Warehouse allows optimized distribution and timely delivery. Proper food storage helps to minimize the risk of food.
Yes. Next one.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is processing. Processing is the transformation of agricultural products into other forms. Processing takes many forms, like grinding grain into raw food, home cooking, complex industrial methods used in the making of honey.
Next one.
Food processing methods: peeling out the outer raw material, chopping, slicing or rinsing, liquefaction, fermentation, emulsification, cooking, mixing, gasification, production of gas in bread.
Next one.
Benefits of food processing. It also improves the self-life of carrots. It reduces health inequalities and maintains health.
Next one.
India's food ecosystem offers enormous investment opportunities, stimulating growth in food retail sector, encouraging economic
Great. Next one.
India is second largest food producer in the world with an annual output of 270 million tons. Financial records from WTO alone, India exported agriculture and processed food for $25.6 billion. Thank you.
Great information. Well done. This working one. Very nice. Great. Next. Here, stop.
Welcome to the sugar industry, sir. Here we displayed about sugar production. Now my friend Meher Roy is going to explain about harvesting.
Harvesting. Sugarcane and sugar beets are typically harvested from fields mechanically. The harvested plants are served to remove dirt and
Screening and internal preparation. As soon as the sugarcane and the sugar beets arrive at the factory, the wash takes
One.
Use accepted. The sugar contents are pumped into the bottom of 10 to 20 tall tanks. A rotating happens at the sugar beets upwards. Crystallization. During the next step of manufacturing, single stage vacuum tanks use to evaporate the sugar until it's saturated with sugar.
The drying and packing. The damp sugar cells are dried in large containers and are reaching a moisture content as low as 0.02%. Next.
This is our wheat industry. In wheat industry, at first, the wheat are separated into 3 quantities: burnt, yam, and end span. Tempering and condition. At this stage, the wheat is soaked in water to easily remove the bran. Conditioning is done before milling to ensure moisture content.
Gristing. This is a particularly important stage where the conditioned wheat and cleaned wheat are mixed to create treatment and quality of separate.
Here we display wheat packing. Wheat packing industry handles the slaughtering, processing, packaging, and distribution of wheat grains. And in the next station, someone is the facilities for meat packing and slow service for wheat packing.
Great.
Meat processing involves in solidifying animals, cutting into meat, and safe to consume and delivering it especially to customers.
Edible oil manufacturing process can be done via mechanical extraction using an oil or chemical extraction using a solvent.
Yes. The most commonly used edible oil in India are palm oil, soybean oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil and product.
Yes.
Hello sir, I'm Venkat and Mukmedi. We'll explain our process part of the report. First, the fabric is harvested from the farm and then sent to the drying and the washing section, where they dry for 24 hours and then washed only to activate concentration. Then these enter the laboratory first, where these turmerics are tested made at this.
The test centers also has equipment of physical challenge and material retarded helps poor students in schools and colleges to pursue their education.
Now Shakti Masala manufactures over 50 different varieties of spice, masala powders, and a dozen varieties of pickles, flour, varieties, and
Shakti Masala Private Limited operating the revenue range is over 500 crores for the financial year and ending on the 31st March 2022. Its EBITDA has increased by
At the same time, the book market had been increased 13.73%. Other performance of liquidity ratios.
Cadbury is the second largest pharmaceutical brand in the world after Mars. It is headquartered in Greater and operated more than 50 countries worldwide.
Cadbury was brought by Crafty and Nolan Wonder. It makes candy gems, also usually has profit.
the beans are grinded to separate the nib from the tall. Then we press to get the color.
A chocolate vending machine has an input system that receives the command for and accepts the money in cash, card, or digitally. It has a processing unit that interprets the command and sends it to the output
Soft
system.
drink factory is also known as beverage factory. They manufacture soft drinks, energy drinks, and nutrition.
The food and beverage sector is a major economic driver accounting for share of GDP.
FSSAI started in 2006 in India. It stands for Food Safety Standard Authority of India. Basic rations secured for all NGOs who are involved in small scale with an annual turnover not more than 12 lakhs. It specifies standards and guidelines for food articles.
Britannia Industry Limited is a multinational company specialized in food industry. It is part of Wadia Group and headed by Mr. Wadia in 1892 in Kolkata.
Yes.
However, it still has a large profitable share in products of biscuits, cakes, and products.
Britannia Industry Limited included a sale of sponsor or to Indian rupees. Thank you, sir.
Next one.
Lovely. Earning skill makes your intelligence strong. Education in Everwin makes your career strong. Welcome to the world of iron.
Yes, nice, very nice, very nice. Go.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. Just one point I will listen. Yes.
Before 1800 AD, iron and steel industry was located where raw material, power supply and running water was easily available.
Last one was 1800 required and 30 minutes and it was cheaply used in the process of smelting. There is called the backbone.
Iron and steel, yes.
The inputs of the iron and steel industry are iron ore, limestone, labor, machinery and other infrastructure.
We'll go this side and come back.
How is rubber produced? In India, each 1.5 lattice was almost under rubber cultivation and almost
It is taken out. Good.
so lattice is collected in the container and 50 grams, 1.7
Your voice.
The rubber is cured liquidized at a high temperature. The rubber polymer is injected through mold cavity through runner and gate.
The uncured rubber is fed up into the tube of rubber molding. The uncured rubber is pulled into injector. Compression molding is one of the least expensive ways to the mass. It produces part which is coefficient and efficiency in the process of combustion molding. First, the material is placed into the mold. The material is heated until it somewhat becomes applicable. The hydraulic tool presses the material against the mold. Once the material
One more point.
This is a structure of average rubber industry, sir. Normally, all the machineries in rubber industry are made up of iron and steel, and we can recycle old tires to make steel.
Yes, I was thinking.
The latex collection pool is a group of tanks where latex liquid rubber is stored.
Okay. Great. Next one.
Expandable mold casting is a generic classification.
Sand casting.
Expandable mold casting is generic classification which includes sand, blacks, and cell, etc. For example, Lasser's technique molding.
Non-expandable mold casting is differs from expandable mold casting in that the process need not to be reformed after the each process. Permanent mold casting, continuous mold casting, dye mold casting. These three processes also included expandable mold casting.
Great industry.
Future in the Indian state of Odisha, in the east of the country, at least 12 steel plants with the production of capacity 60 million ton per year will be built.
The industry is witnessing consolidation of players which has led to investment by entities from other sectors. The ongoing consolidation also prevents an opportunity for
One more point.
Some of the earliest objects found in India applying radiocarbon dating. Economic and industrial is one of the most important.
So now you stand up.
Innovations like hydrogen-based steel making and carbon capture technology. Iron industry is working towards reducing its carbon footprint. Such process aims to produce steel with minimal environmental impact.
The RC technology, thermodynamical heat changes to work in a cycle called a Standard cycle, and this system depends on water given around 8.
Hybrid will revolutionize the iron and steel industries. SSAB, LKAB will follow and have started the hybrid. The
Atricurian iron. Expo is a compact form of DRA. It is manufactured with well-defined consistent of chemical and physical characteristic. The metal is poured into mold through a spill, which is a hollow channel. The metal and the mold are then cooled, and the metal particles, which are occupation and
Testing as a whole, this technique under section manufacturing class of forming various various
These types of cast irons are produced during different heat treatments and processing techniques, including white iron, grey iron, compacted graphite iron.
There are many choices for manufacturing, but metal casting are the top form of manufacturing for many reasons, such as the flexibility of surface finish.
Casting is a solidification process, which means solidification phenomena controls the most of the properties of casting.
Okay, well,
Cost,
loudly.
cost effectiveness, speed, easier, complex of product quantity, recyclability.
There are many types of fine casting: shaking, molding, melting, and heat treatment with inspection.
TMT steel or thermomechanic heat bars are resistant reinforcement bars having a tough outer core and a softer inner core. TMT bars or thermomechanic heat bars are used for various construction projects. With unique metallurgical process, the combined was done for the hardening to create the robust with a high yield strength and the low carbon steel. TMT bars find them any demand. Advantages of using TMT bars: great ductility and bendability, malleability, resistant to rust.
First process, iron making. This process involves taking waste metals and burning it in a hot metals to make just coal iron and raw material.
This is a steel industry called Bhushan. Bhushan is one of the best steel industries. The steel production supports 2.8 million of the world's economic activities.
Super.
Let us come to the history of iron. Let us know the history of Tata Company. You may know what is iron and steel industry, but I'll tell the clear explanation of iron and steel industry. Iron and steel is a mineral-based industry. Mineral-based industry. Let us know of the process of iron and steel industry. After the eruption of the volcano, from the transformation of the train, it is sent to a factory.
Let us know about discovery of iron. Iron was discovered by Vidhyashram of ancient of ages. It was discovered around 5000 and 3000 BC.
Sir, do you know who is the Iron Man of India?
I'm of India, Patel.
Yes, sir. Sardar Vallabhbhai.
The glass vessel is a large steel structure lined with refractories that can withstand temperature around 2000 degrees.
Steel is often called the backbone of the modern day. Glass is 80 to 100 feet wide and it was
Good morning, sir. Welcome, sir. For making, process and making of iron and steel, we needed industry. Do you know how these industries were formed? Let me explain you. Before 1947, there was only one iron and steel plant in the country, which was Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. But after the independence, the government took initiative on this and set up more iron and steel plant in the country. Do you know how finishing of iron and steel is done? Before finishing it, push it to remove any impurities or contaminants from iron. Then painting and coating. Painting and coating is the inlet method. Ore is transported in pipeways, roadways, and water.
Big iron is used in the making of pumps and pipes. Root is used in the making of springs, tractors and electronics.
At the end of the 2023 fiscal year, the Tata Steel has consolidated
Ten completed, not 11.
6 there.
Total 13. 3 more here, which makes 10. Next.
Start.
We are going to explain about the Gurukul system.
In India, the education was mainly imparted to the Vedic and Buddhist education system.
Yes.
In Vedic, the Buddhist or Vedic system had different subjects. In Vedic system of study, the students were taught. The Gurukul system of education supported traditional Hindu residential schools of learning. A typically teaches was monastery. The Gurukul system teaches us.
This is the difference between modern school and Asian school. In modern school, they are learning extracurricular activities like
Super. One point.
School education, students are made to learn by education and also required to correct.
They have to work on the field also.
The ancient school students used to live with their teacher, they learned under them and they served them simultaneously.
Education in medieval India was primarily focused on philosophy, art, religion, medicine, and astronomy.
The famous teaching method was the scholastic method. This was the famous method in the medieval India. This was the school built by the Muslims who were entered after the
Monastic schools were for the boys. The boys were being trained by the
Type of education is different in medieval period. During affiliates in education. There were 5 big universities like Texas, Nalanda, Alabama, etc.
Distance education is a system that delivers education to students who are unable to go to campus.
Indira Gandhi National Open University located in Maidan Ganj, New Delhi, India. It was established in 1985 with a budget of rupees 20 million.
IGNOU is a correspondence university. Apart from teaching and research, extension and training firm are the mainstay of
Learning center is a self-contained section of a classroom which allow easy access to learning materials in the university.
A building room or organization that has a collection of books, music, documents such as tools and artwork.
Library plays an essential role in local communities by providing access to information and resource, supporting literacy and education.
Technology plays a major role in 21st century education. The new model of integrating technology.
Yes, you got this on a smart TV.
The computer level serves as the teaching field for more classes.
Computer lab comes in several combinations. The most common are U-shaped and square models.
A science lab is one of the best places for the scientific research. It helps students to remember the concept better and experience in real life situations.
Offices have the same in enabling students to learn physics in a more elaborate manner of application. Therefore, a science lab offers opportunities for the students to think creatively, develop technique, and explore their interests. Therefore,
Virtual education uses digital technology to improve the learning process.
Corporate University is designed for employees to develop skills and knowledge. At the same time, it's the ideal model for
Disney Corporate University is the learning and development setting that teachers and students dream of. It's the Disneyland.
Disney has a free series of courses on its YouTube channel teaching about how iconic
Nalanda has 5 functional schools: School of Historical Studies, School of Ecology, School of Buddhist Studies, School of
Oldest university.
When Zhuangzheng came to Nalanda, it was called Nala, which was the center of learning in many subjects.
The system focuses on the art and development of students. More amateurs will get into the practical knowledge rather than theoretical knowledge.
Government schools are, as the name suggests, the schools that are run by the government. They are partially or fully funded by the government. Government schools are affordable and they provide minimum infrastructure to meet the basic needs. With the aim of securing more admissions, private schools are maintain qualities and facilities. As a result, they are more preferred
To secure more admissions. Okay. To give quality education, not to get admissions alone. Goodbye.
The higher level of education imparted in the 11th and 12th standards in schools.
The purpose of higher secondary education is to provide more education on the workforce.
Those who have an education have higher incomes and opportunity in their lives and tend to be healthier.
Educational product companies are primarily for profit reason. They even research and aid
This is private school. Private school is also called independent school because they are not administered by state government or local government. Teachers in private school are completely dedicated to their work.
The private school provides more money towards the environment and education. The private school provides more voucher, that is scholarship, to the students. Smaller classes help the teacher to recognize the student talent. Private school also provide band facility. Private school is the best type of learning. This is our school model.
One of the famous of private school, that name is Everwin Group. It has so many branches extend to Chandler Pet. I am telling all about Everwin conducting so many events, war of words, how I speaks it with a CET, also TT.
Nice, very nice, very nice. Like, did you saw the shots which I put on?
Yes, sir.
10,000 views. That you were doing it. Nice, great,
Thank
great,
you.
great.
Thank you,
Good morning. Yes. One point I will listen for want of time. Yes.
We will going to explain to you about the process of shipbuilding. The first process is procurement. After the contract has been signed between the client and the shipyard, the detailed design has been carried out. The materials specified by the
Plate cutting. The stated plates are to be cut into design, shape and size in order to require the 3-dimensional sets or straight plates which uses other structural components.
These are the process undergoes in shipping corporation of the
Voice is your strength, man. That's why employees are organized to improve your voice and deliver stylish way.
We are going to talk about simple art. Simple art is used by logging mostly for transport of logs, like diagrams,
modern white photography has been on back to 1842 when students were and after sending land structure for support or transport over the water. Craft were achieved by pushing with ropes, pulling with poles,
for the purpose of providing safe sailing experience. The Indian Navy considers sailing Ahmed Rayyan, 98 is officer general 2007 as a Rohini and is sailing under the flag of India.
Officer certificate from 50 to 100 meters length and seized with a large open ticket are used to supply.
Max is one of the largest sea companies globally and has significant presence in India. They offer wide range of services and have a reputation for
The name is a tribute to India's first aircraft carrier, INS Vidhyashram.
INS Vidhyashram is 263 meters, 860 feet long and 62 meters, 203 feet wide and 61 feet.
The first photographic research laboratory developed around the Zero Sound of India created
terms of its carrying capacity is BW Lord, owned by BW Global United LPG Indian Private Limited. The shipping and logistic industry are vital components of the Indian economy.
Visakhapatnam class destroyer, also known as P-15B Bravo classical class ship with a 4 grade of missile launchers.
The project 15B Visakhapatnam class spans about 16.3 meters in length and 17.4
4 guided missile destroyers of Project 15B or P-15B or under the
Haircut, you have to improve on haircut, not right.
Vessel ship or large passenger ship which are used mainly for vacation, unlike ocean liners that are used for
Super.
MV Ganga Vilas is a motor-ocean cruise. There are 3 decks on the vessel which are about 12 meters wide and 60 meters long.
And there are river cruises like this as luxury river cruising across India with an expedition addition to DDL.
the Aryan class, the slayer of enemies in Sanskrit, is a class of Indian nuclear power ballistic missiles.
The submarine are 111 meters long with a beam of 11 meters and a trout of 3 meters.
As Lord Knox Shipbuilding Limited currently manufactures 6 carbon classes attack the submarine under P-75, of which 5 is being delivered.
RMS Titanic is a British passenger liner operated by Royal Navy.
For more than 110 years now, the wreckage of the Titan ship continues to rest deep in the North Atlantic Ocean.
Fishing trawlers are commercial fishing method designed to operate fishing trawls.
Trawls are fishing which is stored on the bottom of the sea or with water inside them.
City sector in India plays an important role in the India and provides millions of livelihoods for city clubs.
Mumbai Port is the biggest port in India. Also, this Mumbai port was used by the Britishers for carrying gold, silver, diamond to UK.
Ports plays a crucial role in India's import and export activities and contributes to country's economic growth. Port products encompass both tangible and intangible to agriculture and commerce.
It is controlled by Jawaharlal Airport Authority.
The different ship recycling techniques were used to recycle a ship. The first process is intertidal lacking methods. In this method, the ship is vacuum high tide.
First ship Dragon Alan Heavy got established which are heading to 1980. The last crossing was being to the land has been declared. In 2020, the last ship making a recycling was
Hovercraft, also known as air cushion vehicle, capable of traveling over land, ice, mud, water, and other surfaces.
India's first hovercraft was made by Dr. A. Somaraju. Hovercraft is also known as
Container ship APL Raffle. A container ship is a cargo ship that carries all of its load in a truck size intermodal container.
Container ships are abolished into 7 major size categories: small Freedom, Freedom Max, Paramax, Post Paramax.
APL Raffles is a D-Max gas container ship operated by APL.
Great. Well done, sir. Sustain the passion and keep exploring.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to Good morning, sir. I'm here to welcome you to aviation industry. Indian aviation industry is the fastest growing airline industry in India. Still, Indian aviation industry started in 1912. Its first domestic airline became Kolathur Airline. Indian aviation industry
The aviation industry is engaged in the research, development and manufacture of the flight vehicles, including unpowered gliders and sailplanes, sea balloons.
The origin of aerospace industry dates back to 1903
when Orville and Wilbur Wright demonstrated an aeroplane capable of power sustain.
Wright brother decided to study the flight control by twisting their wings in the plane. Then they began.
Aeronautic is the foundation on which aerospace is built. It covers the design and constructions of aircraft, including how they prepare.
Aeronautic is the study of plane. Aeronautic is the method of preparing planes and other flying machines.
Engineers use the shape of the birds as inspiration to model the planes. Most airplanes have a streamlined body shape so that they do not face air resistance when they are in motion. Airplanes have been designed as to have a minimum wind resistance when they fly towards the surface. The main difference between birds and aircraft is the opacity of land positive. While birds is aircraft do this
The aircraft has 7 main parts: fuselage, wings, stabilizer, rudder, engine, propeller, and landing gears.
aircraft purpose management is a systematic and efficient control purpose required for aircraft maintenance, repair and operation. Landing gear is also called as undercarriage. It is located under the belly of the plane consisting of a wheel.
Landing gears are generally safe-like components and replaced many times during the service life of an aircraft. There are two forms of stabilizers in conventional aircraft, that is direct line or vertical stabilizers and wings. Horizontal or vertical aerodynamic wing surface provide aircraft stability and longitude balance in flight.
Airfoil is safe use for aeroplane wings that consist of covered top and flat bottom. It is designed to increase the lift.
Air will be moved faster over the top section as it will be very slower under the bottom section.
Engine or component of an aircraft create thrust needed for the plane to fly. There are two types of engines, reciprocating and
Like the vertical stabilizer, the horizontal stabilizer helps to keep the plane aligned with this direction of motion. If the airplane tilts up or down, the air pressure increases on one side of the
That is a technology. Good, good. Next.
cargo plane was invented by Philip Oren Philippine on November 7 in USA between Dayton and Columbus.
Cargo plane are classified in two categories: special cargo plane and general cargo
The
plane.
largest cargo plane is known as Antonov.
Commercial flights are built specifically to transport group of people. They are used by airlines for commercial flights. They are equipped with pressurized cabins and certain features like ranging in size from 100 to 850 seats. The versatility of Ambus product line allows it to offer a variety of tailored solutions to meet the needs of any airline and their market, from low cost and full service carriers to VIP segments. On average, passenger planes have cruising speed of about 500 to 521 knots.
Lockheed Martin are the biggest manufacturer of military-grade aircraft. Any aircraft that is operated by a legal or insurrectionary armed force may be called military aircraft.
Bombers are capable of carrying large payloads of bombs or cruise missiles. It is used to attack enemy bases. Attackers are used to the ability to travel on their own schedule, access to thousands of airports. The privacy.
The main difference is that a scheduled flight refers to a commercial flight that has a seat on the aircraft and
Air traffic controllers that works from Air Traffic Control Tower are responsible for ensuring a safe distance between all aircraft.
ATC stands for Air Traffic Control System. They also provide advisory services to a non-controlled airspace.
ATC, they are the ones who are allowing the takeoff, landing, decide everything.
The 6 key factors that influence flight safety in aviation, they encompass the aircraft, airman, air traffic controller.
Airport Operation Control Center is the nerve center of the airport, responsible for overseeing and coordination.
The MOCC is responsible for effectively allocating airport resources.
Licensed to perform a spectrum of airport data gathering activities from research and development right to verification and validation that an air vehicle and system are safe to operate and for purpose. Flight test process involved at atmospheric pressure and temperature. Dynamic pressure.
Among the top suppliers for the air forces are business units like Lockheed Martin Aeronautics and Boeing is the largest airplane manufacturer in the world. Due to the manufacturing problem, it leads to a Federal Aviation Administration. Boeing has been the premier manufacturer of
Raytheon Technologies Corporation, RTX, and General Electric are two significant companies that manufacture aircraft engines and parts for industrial operators. The aircraft and parts came from different companies such as Kawasaki Japan for making landing gear wheel, wings, forward fuselage. The tip of the wings is made in Korea. Mesiri UK for making landing gear structure.
Different parts made in different countries.
Airplane manufacturing market is part of the overall airline industry. The global market estimated value is 413.51 billion in 2021.
Globally, yes.
large commercial aircraft market, there is a competitive market, there is a competition among the suppliers of aircraft.
Brazilian aircraft are manufacturing the leaders in the religions. They both focus on smaller size jets.
We are going to talk about takeoff and landing of an aircraft. Aircraft have the different way to take off and land. Conventional aeroplane accelerate to along the ground until the second lift generate for takeoff. Reverse the process to take off.
Rocket usually take off and land vertically. In some cases, take off and land horizontally. The specified rate for landing distance.
Savaka Airport is a domestic airport which is located 2 kilometers south of Port Blair and is the main airport of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
It was opened on 20th January 2015. 8 years ago, it has a capacity of 400 passengers. It covers an area of 600 square meters. It has 2 gates.
Due to the increasing of traffic, every 40,837 square meter passenger terminal, the cost of rupees 7.7 crore have been considered. Chennai International Airport is an international airport located in the city of Chennai. Given the first airport commissioned in 1930. It is said to be the third largest international and busiest airport in the country after the respective airport of Delhi and Mumbai. In the Bakam of tourist response and water rates of Adya, this picture and social picture center.
Well done, well done, well done.
Teacher, go inside.
Control now.
Airlines. Non-service airlines consist of.
Good morning, sir. We are going to talk about international airlines. International airport have commercial relationship with airlines and passengers from around the world. Many of those servers have
Service transport service other than one and maybe on guarantee non-service. The operators have